Hello, this is Alex from the Worcester Public Library, back for another one of my weekly videos for tips and tricks for using the library's digital resources. Now, if you've been watching my videos, you might note that a while back I did a video on our career transitions database, which is a really great tool and database for you to use if you're thinking about changing careers or career development or resumes or things like that. But one of the things that we recently learned is that they are going to be phasing out the career transitions database and replacing it with a brand new database, Gale Presents Peterson's Career Prep. So that's the database that I wanted to talk to you about today. I'm going to show you some of the features of that, and if you've been using career transitions, how you might want to be using this new one. So what you can do if you're interested in checking it out is going to our library website at mywpl.org and then going under resources right here and then clicking on online databases. Now if you scroll all the way down, you're going to see Peterson's Career Prep right here, and if you're doing it from home, you can just click on home right here, and that's going to take you to the login screen. So once you see once you log in, you'll see the front page right here. And you'll notice that there are two buttons right here. One says login and one says register. So what you'll do if this is your first time using it, in order so you can save your resume and things like that, you'll go ahead and click on register, and that will take you to the registration page. Now this is distinct from your library account. This is specifically registering for this career prep database. So you just enter in your information like this, and that will take you, it'll register you, and then once you return to the site again, you'll just go ahead and log in. Now there are a couple of main features. The main one is Find a Career. So if you're interested in changing careers, or if you want to see what career you might be interested in, there are sort of self-guided quizzes to give you some ideas of what you might be interested in doing. There are also career library modules. So this is little classes and quizzes and things like that for instance, for writing cover letters, for interviewing, for on-the-job stuff. So if you're interested in some sort of professional development, the advice section is what you might be interested as well. But the other main one is the Create a Resume. So if you click on this right here, this will take you to a resume builder, so that what you can do is enter in all your information, and then that is going to create a professional-looking resume with all the information you input. So again, this was Peterson's Career Prep. This is a new database offered by the Worcester Public Library, which is going to be replacing the Career Transitions database. And this was Alex from the Worcester Public Library. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you go and check out Peterson's Career Prep, and I will see you here next week for another video from me. Thank you for watching.